How cute.
Mommy, is it okay if can I try that chocolate? Remember, that's my favorite.
Of course I do. Halika, tayo natin.
Yeah.
Let's go.
We're coming. Enjoy ka
Hi, babe.
Hi. Wow. Ang ganda ng party.
Saan ka pupunta?
Kasama po ako sa party.
Bawal ka dito ha. Doon ka ha.
Na may ganito rin akong party. Lord, sorry po kung magnanakaw ako. Marami pa naman pong natira. Thank you po. Tita. Lord, pwede pong isa pa po? Gutom lang po ako. Thank you po.
Mamaya mag-play kayo ha. You have a bouncy castle over there. I think it would be a best time to play there, okay?
Wow, Mom, that looks so good.
I know. Wait, anak ha. Hihingi lang ako. Excuse me. Yes po. Yes, pwede ba akong makahingi ng maliit na bowl?